Hello everyone, it's Keisha with Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am planning in my mini happy planner. So I will be planning for the week of, I think it's April 11th through the 17th. So I'll go ahead and take those off the disc. And this week I am going to be planning using my Belltown sticker book from VillabeauTIFFul. This was the sticker book that was included in the Belltown VBKit for March. So I thought it would be fun to use this in my mini instead of the normal mini sticker books that I usually use. And I'm also going to be using these BB sticker sheets. These came with the Belltown kit. And if you did not get the kit, there should be some kit extras coming available soon. I think it is going to be, I want to say it's going to be on the 20th, April 20th this month, maybe. I think that's the date. I'll double check it and put it in the description box below. But I love these sticker sheets because they're so tiny, the images, and I think they're going to go great with this mini layout. So I'm going to go ahead and speed the video up. Oh, and I'm also probably going to pull in some of the washi. And this is the washi in that Belltown kit as well. So I'm probably going to use this. So all right, so I'm going to go ahead and speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, everyone, I am done. I absolutely love this kit. And I really like using these mini stickers from the VB sticker pack in this layout. It's like the perfect size. I love it. So, okay, let me go ahead and put them back on the disc, because you guys know I love VB, and I will go on and on and on about it. But this is probably one of my favorite kits. So, let me go ahead and put those back on the disc. All right, yes, I love it. I love it. And so I'm going to change out my pen for the week. All right, so I'm going to use the VB pen that goes with the kit this week. This is Belltown, and it's a pretty shimmer gray with those sapphire blue crystals. I love those crystals in there. So that's going to go with that kit. I'm going to slide it right in my pen slot, and that's what I'll be carrying this week as I go to pull out my planner and use it. So, but that's it. Okay, guys. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.